Imagine one easy-to-use digital platform that prepares students for professional nursing practice. MyLab Nursing does exactly that. This online homework assessment tool creates an engaging learning experience for nursing students while helping instructors build effective courses. MyLab Nursing uses adaptive, personalized learning techniques grounded in modern learning science. Students learn nursing skills, together with the clinical reasoning abilities they need to apply skills. Plus, MyLab Nursing provides in-depth preparation for the NCLEX exam. With complimentary access to Pearson eText, MyLab Nursing students have a cost-effective way to access the content they rely on. Available online and off, this personalized reading experience lets students highlight, take notes, and learn more through integrated media. Dynamic study modules in MyLab Nursing help learners study effectively and at their own pace. They adapt to each student's performance by responding to personal strengths and weaknesses. Instructors can use student data from dynamic study modules to adjust their instruction and help students succeed in their course. With clinical decision-making cases, students learn to think like nurses so they can confidently handle the situations they'll face in their careers. Each MyLab Nursing course includes hundreds of NCLEX-style questions covering every type of exam question. With ample practice, students build the confidence they need to succeed on exam day. Finally, instructors have access to all the resources they need to flip the classroom. This means they can focus on helping students come to class prepared and ready to apply what they've learned. To cut out paperwork, MyLab also synchronizes grades, rosters, and assignments with learning management systems such as Blackboard Learn, Brightspace by D2L, Canvas, and Moodle. Students who think like nurses. Instructors who prepare them for success. That's the power of MyLab Nursing. To learn more, visit PearsonMyLabandMastering.com or contact your Pearson representative.